Hey there! So I've been crocheting these little fairies from the Legend of Zelda, and I think they're pretty cool. You know, I could turn it into like a keychain or maybe into like a little finger puppet version. Um, but I don't know. I kind of want to do something different with it. So the other day I saw this person on Instagram named @Callan Nadine, and she's been crocheting my little patterns into tiny versions of crocheted characters. So I thought it might be fun to do something kind of similar. I went and I got this little bottle, and it's just got a cork on the top. And I thought if I crochet it small enough, I could make it floating in the bottle. So I went and I also got some thread. You can see it's like really tiny thread. And where's the crochet hook? Oh, here it is. A little bitty crochet hook. I think it's 1.25 millimeters if you're a crocheter. So let's make it into a tiny fairy and see how it goes. All right. Not too bad, right? I think this might be one of my favorite things I've crocheted. It's so simple, but I really like it. So I just put some fishing line in and I taped it to the top of this cork here. I think I should make some more, maybe into earrings. It might be a little big, and I don't have pierced ears to try it on, but I don't know, it could be kind of cool. Thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, please let me know by liking down below. And if you're not subscribed yet, consider subscribing and hit that little bell icon, and you'll get notified whenever I post new videos. Also, if you're a crocheter, I posted the pattern for this tiny fairy on my other channel, Club Crochet. You can find the link somewhere around here. And if you're not a crocheter yet, you should consider learning how to crochet. I came out with a full free How to Crochet series. It's a video, an ebook, and it's all available for free. It's at crocheting101.com. Again, there might be a link right around here. Thanks again for watching. Pasta la pizza, and happy hooking.